Energy experts have voiced concerns about the potential economic, environmental, and health consequences of adopting nuclear energy in Ghana and across Africa. They are urging the continent to reconsider its energy strategies. At a press conference held in Accra on January 23, 2025, Albert Akpeleku, a representative of 360 Human Rights and the Ghana Anti-Nuclear Movement, outlined the risk associated with nuclear energy. She warned of the dangers of nuclear accidents, radioactive waste, long-term contamination, and significant health impacts, including cancer and genetic damage. It's time to reevaluate our reliance on nuclear power due to its hidden and devastating consequences, Pleku stated, urging policymakers to prioritize sustainable and safer energy solutions for the future. Dr. John Jinapor, Minister of Energy and Green Transition, has inaugurated a technical committee to draft a comprehensive plan for the privatization of the Electricity Company of Ghana. The inauguration took place on Friday, January 24, 2025. The committee, comprising energy experts and key stakeholders, include Mr. Jabesh Emisa Atta, Mr. Boache Benjamin, Dr. Shafiq Sulemana, Dr. Simon Akoli, Mr. Ebenezer Baden, lawyer Emma Akubule, and Mr. Edward Abroka. The 7-member committee is tasked with developing strategies to transition ECG into private sector management. The primary objectives are to enhance efficiency and improve service delivery within Ghana's power distribution network. This initiative aligns with the John Mahama administration's broader strategy to address persistent challenges in the energy sector, including financial losses and operational inefficiencies in power distribution. However, the Public Utility Workers Union of the Trade Union Congress has reaffirmed its strong opposition to any form of privatization or diversification of ECG. This resistance underscores potential tensions that could shape the discourse in the coming months. Nigeria plans to request an increase in its oil production quota from the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries as it continues to recover from production setbacks. Gbenga Komolafe, CEO of the Nigeria Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission, disclosed that the country is prioritizing increased production to meet its fiscal targets before formally petitioning OPEC for an upward adjustment. In December 2024, Nigeria's crude oil output reached 1.48 million barrels per day, approaching its OPEC assigned quota of 1.5 million barrels per day. This rebound represents significant progress from the 2022 production low of 1.1 million barrels per day, which was primarily attributed to theft and vandalism of oil infrastructure. Venture Global, a prominent liquefied natural gas exporter, has successfully raised $1.75 billion in its highly anticipated initial public offering, making it the largest IPO of 2025. The Arlington, Virginia-based company priced its shares at $25 each, selling 70 million shares within the expected range. This pricing values Venture Global at $60.5 billion based on outstanding shares. While the valuation falls short of its initial $110 billion target, the company's fully diluted valuation, which includes employee stock options, exceeds $65 billion. Energy Ghana, local in focus, global in perspective.